slim LED headlights, and sharp daytime running lights that blend seamlessly into the bumper's lines. This new bumper layout is not only meant to enhance aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. On the side, welcome to Top Cars TV. The 2026 Mazda CX-20 is shaping up to be one of Mazda's most anticipated compact SUVs. Designed for drivers who want premium style and lively performance in a smaller, city-friendly package. Mazda has been steadily expanding its crossover lineup, and the CX-20 is expected to sit just below the CX-30, offering a new entry point for buyers who want practicality, efficiency, and a bold modern look without sacrificing the signature Mazda driving feel. Mazda is known for paying close attention to exterior craftsmanship, and the CX-20 is expected to continue the tradition. The front bumper design will likely follow Mazda's clean, sculpted Kodo styling language, with a more aggressive lower profile that gives the SUV a sporty stance. Expect a larger blacked-out grille, slimmer LED headlights, and sharp daytime running lights that blend seamlessly into the bumper's lines. This new bumper layout is not only meant to enhance aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. On the side, the 2026 CX-20 is expected to feature smooth curves combined with strong shoulder lines for a dynamic, premium appearance. Mazda's focus on minimalistic elegance usually results in fewer unnecessary creases, giving the vehicle a fluid motion even when standing still. Rumors suggest a slightly longer wheelbase than typical compact SUVs, which will help improve cabin space and rear passenger comfort. The wheel designs are likely to range from stylish 16-inch alloys on the base model to more muscular 18-inch or 19-inch wheels on premium trims, giving buyers plenty of customization options. Moving to the back, the CX-20 is expected to show off Mazda's refined rear bumper treatment paired with a sleek tailgate and narrow LED taillights. The rear bumper will likely have a clean, sporty look with subtle silver or black accents depending on the trim. A discreet roof spoiler and a sculpted tailgate design will help complete the SUV's modern appeal. Mazda may also incorporate dual exhaust styling on higher trims to emphasize its sporty attitude, even if the engine remains focused on efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda CX-20 is expected to come with a fuel-efficient i-ACTIVSENSE engine, with the possibility of a mild hybrid system to improve performance and mileage. Mazda has been slowly expanding its electrified lineup, so a hybrid variant would make sense for global markets. The SUV is also expected to offer smooth handling and responsive steering, staying true to Mazda's driver-centric philosophy. As for price, early expectations suggest that the 2026 Mazda CX-20 will start around the affordable compact crossover range, likely between $22,000 and $26,000 for the base model, depending on the market and final features. Higher trims with additional safety features, larger wheels, or hybrid tech could rise to $30,000 $33,000. This pricing would position the CX-20 competitively against rivals like the Hyundai Venue, Kia Seltos, Toyota Yaris, and Honda HR-V. The official launch of the 2026 Mazda CX-20 is expected sometime in late 2025 or early 2026, making it one of the most exciting new releases in the compact SUV segment. With a stylish bumper design, modern side profile, sharp rear aesthetics, and a competitive price range, the CX-20 is gearing up to attract a wide range of buyers looking for practicality wrapped in premium Mazda craftsmanship.